Hello! By the way, if you didn't notice the back to school video, the concrete coffee table, and that video I filmed in the same day, in 1 hour actually. I told you if I will have the smallest window, I will film something, and as I promised, there you go, hello! Friday, it's the weekend! I'm just so excited I managed to film 3 videos in a day, that's crazy. Anyway, back to business Dan. As I said before, I had so many machines at the university, at the workshop, so I made that one, it's so cute! You see? By the way, that cactus you can actually make from jigsaw. If you have one, you don't need like those big heavy duty machines, so you actually can make that at your place. I feel like I'm off topic today, I don't know why. Yeah, the cactus. Okay, sorry. So as you realize and as you read in the title, today I'm gonna show you how to make a lamp from just a piece of wood. That's crazy. So without further ado, let's go to the video. First, I'm drawing my cactus on a piece of wood. I chose pine because pine is very cheap and it's very lightweight wood. Using a handsaw, I'm cutting the outline of the cactus. After that, you can use orbital sander for more fine edges. I usually use the 400 grit sanding paper. Few minutes sanding that piece of wood and your pine would feel like marble, trust me. Now the material you will need for the light are LED light adapter and a switch wire. You can notice that you have the black and the red wire. The red wire goes into the plus socket and the black wire goes into the minus socket. The wires of the switch can go both ways, so pick one and screw them tightly. After that's all connected, see how much you actually need and cut the strip between the couple marks. Peel the sticky sides and glue it to the cactus. Now you have a lovely night lamp, which in the middle of the day uses a decorative statue. I feel like it gives a bohemian minimal kind of vibe, you know? Thank you so much for watching, and I really want to know like if you enjoying watching me making some like those projects on my university, or you rather to see me at the kitchen baking something for you. Let me know in the comments below, and except that I hope you enjoyed watching, and subscribe to my channel if you're not a regular subscriber already, and I will see you next time. Bye!